First, let's start with absolute selection. The first method we're learning is called getElementById, and it belongs to the document object. JavaScript is very sensitive with letter case. Therefore, make sure you've capitalized the right letters. Whenever you're using a function or method, you should also be clear with what kind of value it returns. The getElementById method will return as an object. This object represents the selected page element. Just like the whole web page is represented by the document object, each page element is represented by its own object as well. That object is the bridge between us and the selected page element. Because of it, we can operate that selected element. Attention! Just like what its name is suggesting, the getElementById method only selects page element or type 1 node. So let's try what we've learned. The HTML file we've got contains several page elements. Each element has got its own ID. Let's try the getElementById method on this file. We can see the getElementById method can return as the selected page element. But what if the ID we provide does not exist? Well, we'll get null. Selecting page elements is just step 1. There'll be further operations on the selected elements. For our own convenience, we'll usually create a new variable to receive the object returned by getElementById. At this moment, we've got two objects. The document object representing the whole web page and the returned object representing the selected page element. If we want to further operate the selected element, the new object will take over from document object. If we selected 2 page elements, we'll get 3 objects. It's very important you maintain a clear idea of which object you're dealing with or need to deal with.